Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and one of the toys my kids consistently play with are Legos. This right here is our latest Lego set. This is Conkdor's Noggin, and it's part of the Mario series. We love it. What's so cool about the Mario Lego sets is it's interactive in a way that Lego's never done. So we have the little Mario Lego. It doesn't come with this set. This is in a different set, but Mario interacts with all the different sets. Let me show you how. Okay, so you can see the barcode. You take out your Mario, turn him on, and if you tap him against the barcode, he gains a coin because it's like he defeated him in the game. The Mario Lego sets don't come with printout instructions. You download an app, which I actually prefer. For one, you don't lose the instructions, and they're a lot easier to read. So you just download it, you hook up your Mario, you link it, and it'll walk you through the building process step by step. So if your kids love Mario and Lego, this would be a great addition to their collection. But that's just our point of view.